All right, here we go. In living color, go up to your bar there, type in spark.adobe.com. Here we go. This is a beautiful website. You're going to love it. It won me over. Here we are. Hello, Mateo. That's me. Click on that blue circle up here with the plus sign like I asked in those awesome instructions. Come on down to video. Biggity boom. Remember, this is going to be titled The Raven by Mr. Chapin. Click next. Ooh, we're not really doing any of this stuff up here. We're looking down here. I just wanted to start you off with an easy assignment when we're acclimating ourselves with Spark. Maybe I'll think of something more complicated for you to do further down the line. If you need some extra pointers, there's this video. We're going to buy it right now. Remember, our assignment is just write in the text. You don't need quotes. I'm going to write in, quote, the Raven. What's he say? Nevermore, bro. I don't think he says bro, but he would. All right. So you got your text. Very nice. Come up here. We're not doing a video today. We're going to do a photo. Put in any photo you like that makes you think of the line. Quote the Raven, nevermore. You can go in here, find your free photos, or if you want to upload a photo, take a photo, have fun. We're going to look through these free ones. Nevermore makes me think of dying. Dying makes me think of going to heaven. So let's look up heaven here. Oh, that's a bunch of people in a boat, so thank you very much for that. But this one's going to work for us. Boom. All right. You're going to do that 3 times, creating 3 slides. You want to make a new slide? Hit the plus button. What do? Text. More stuff from the Raven. Picture. Yep, you know what you're doing. But remember the end part. You're going to come back to your first one. You need to click on this icon here and hold on to it. It's going to go, oh, we started? Whatever. Quote the Raven, nevermore. Then you're done. Go to number 2. More stuff from the Raven. Huh. Then you go to number 3. All right. You're almost there. We can preview it. Oh, we started? Whatever. Quote the Raven, nevermore. More stuff from the Raven. Huh. Oh, that was great. Obviously, I hurried through mine a little bit. Yours won't have any typos. You won't say, oh, we started? Because you knew that we started. Next, this button here will share it with your favorite Mr. Clean Looking English teacher, Mr. Chapin. Guys, we can do this. I believe in you. Try and have a little bit of fun with it. Good luck.